Have you ever wanted to make money online but didn't know where to start? Well, what if I told you there is a way to build a full professional looking website in under 30 seconds using AI? No coding, no design skills, no big investment, and the best part, people are already making hundreds and sometimes even thousands of dollars by selling these AI generated websites to small businesses, freelancers, and online brand. Well, it doesn't matter if you are a college going student or school going student or anyone who are interested in doing a side hustle and to earn a full amount of money by doing the job or sideways. Well, in today's video I'm going to exactly break this all down just for you. Well, at very first I'll show you the exact tool I use, and then I'll reveal step by step method to customize and the secret trick to find the real high paying clients. Okay, so the people, those who are ready to pay for your service even though if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you watch this video till end, because this might just be your easiest way to start earning money online in 2025 using just AI. So the website which we are gonna use, I mean the AI tool which we are gonna use to generate our website in just few seconds is this durable.co durable AI. Now the main reason for selecting this website for the beginners is it's extremely easy to learn. Yes, you heard it right. Just you have to drag and drop, and what? Yes, your full website is ready. So basically what we'll do is you can select any of the niche, okay, any of the niche, whether it is fitness influencers, websites for businesses, or anyone. So in this video my niche will be, I want to create the websites for especially cafes, okay, cafes and small restaurants you can take. But in this video I'll explain how you can create the website for cafes. And yes, what we'll do is now we'll go on ChatGPT and just tell him that we need to feed a durable AI about the website for cafes. So give me a clean and clear cut prompt. Okay, so as you can see, the ChatGPT has given me the exact prompt which I have to feed to the durable AI. And this search option is extremely amazing. Like, you just have to copy paste all those stuff and then boom, your website is just ready in few clicks. And you can see by how much easy way this durable AI has created this website. And as I told you, you even here get plenty of the templates which you can just plug and play, even drag and drop. So as you can see, as I am clicking on regenerate, the templates are changing and I can select any one of them, and as you can see my whole website is getting ready. And yes, as you all know, first we have to learn the things and then we have to just remove the L. So that stuff is easy. And just keep this thing in your mind, this durable.co, it has plenty of the small options, and I guess you shall just devote at least 1 to 2 hours of your day or even of your weekend and just to master this website. Because the more you master this website, the more beautiful and extra amazing websites which you can create and sell it to the businesses online or any of the client all abroad, and then you can charge your perfect amount for them. So as you can see, I have added some add-ons to my website, and then yes, it's optimizing as well as generating. So let me tell you one more thing about this. What you can do here is you can take the help of ChatGPT in full way. Okay, so just tell him for which business you want the website and he will give you a prompt, and that prompt you have to just copy paste here. So as you can see, my whole coffee website is ready, and this much easily I can even edit it. Okay, and you get plenty of ready-made templates here. So just you have to edit it like you are editing any photo or any of the other thing, and you can see how much easy it is. So like if I need the bakery pack, I'll just click on regenerate, and as you can see, each and everything is pretty easy here. So it's kind of very easy thing. And yes, as I told you, just devote at least few time of your weekend in learning this website, and I'm damn sure that this will be your skill set which can make you earn a huge amount of passive income. Okay, So basically in this video, as I'm creating website for the cafe and all, so my main goal will be to create the website of 5 pages, like consisting of home section, about section, table booking system, and these all things you have to learn first. And from where you can learn? Yes, absolutely, there are various courses available on YouTube for free. Okay, for free. Let me show you. Now I have opened my YouTube, and just I'll type this durable co tutorial. As you can see, guys has explained in just 8 minutes, literally 6 minutes, you can see full website builder tutorial, right? Like you can build any of the website for any of the business in just few seconds. And yes, people pay. Okay, people pay. So I guess this AI tool is perfect for you. So after you have created your website, after you have edited it, so simply what you have to do is just click on save. Okay, it will load like this, and then simply you can publish it. That's pretty much simple, and you can share the link to the client. That's simple, isn't it? So as you can see, you can even add more of the features if you wanna. Now let's talk about this. This is the most important thing. Even by sitting at your home in your room, I'll tell you a trick to find international clients. Okay, so let me tell you, as my website is of cafe, what I'll do is I'll open Google Maps. Yes, this is a Google Maps trick. And what I'll do is I'll open the Google Maps, and then I'll search for the cafes in USA. Okay, so just tell me, as I have created website for the cafes, which business will be my target? Absolutely cafes, right? Who doesn't have the website? So as you can see, as we need high paying client, what we'll do is we'll use this filter feature of maps. And what I have to do is I'll just select the rating of least than 2. Okay, rating of at least 2. And what advantage will it give me? The cafes who have rating of less than 2, most probably they don't have any website. Okay, even though if they have, you can see how much basic this website is, right? This is the most basic website, so you can ask them for upgrading their website, and you can even get their numbers. Okay, but let me first search for the cafe who doesn't have any website. So as you can see, okay, this cafe too has the website. That's not a big deal, but let me check for this. As you can see, this also has a website. But guys, as these cafes has a rating less than 2, their website aren't that much strong. But as you can see, finally I have got a cafe who doesn't have the website, right? And yes, this is our client. So basically what you have to do is, you can see you can see their number, just message on their number, and based on that you can create a website for them, because each and every business need online presence, right? And with the help of this way, you can land your first client easily off from any part of the world. The USA I shown you here is why, because mainly these people pay a lot, because they respect their businesses a lot. So that's why this is the best trick. And the pitch and all, you can ask ChatGPT to generate. Like he can even generate the perfect pitching messages for this client about your websites in just few minutes. So by this method, you can easily grab up to like many good clients, and you can sell your services to them this much easily. But at very first, what you have to do is just learn that website like tutorial, right? On the weekends, or devote few time in by experting that platform. And once you are done, then you can unlock many of the opportunities by yourself. So that's why I say earning isn't easy unless and until you don't do anything. Okay, earning is easy, but first you have to learn the perfect trick, perfect skill, and then yes, you are good to go. So well, this was just the first video, and just keep this thing in mind. I am only giving you ideas, a perfect roadmap by which you can start earning by yourself. Okay, the first and major thing you have to keep this thing in mind is you have to research by your own too. I'll just give you a roadmap. Okay, that thing you have to study by your own. You have to accept that skill set, you have to gain that skills, and then yes, the money making is absolutely easy. Because just keep this thing in your mind, people are ready to pay you if you are ready to help them and solve their problems. Okay, so just build a skill by which the people's problem gets solved, and then getting clients, getting customers is easy as hell. Okay, so I hope you like this map trick for finding the clients. Literally, you can find anyone from any part of the world with the help of this, and I'm damn sure that you will land your first client. Okay, well, I'll keep this video this much only, and in next video I am also gonna reveal many more income streams method, various new tricks by which you can start your passive income. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because as soon as I'll upload my new video, you will be the first to see, the first to implement, and the first to earn. Till that time, take care. Thank you.